Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of punish. As a retribution for an offense, e.g. a violation of a moral or legal code, impose a sanction or penalty on the victim. For example, I have done wrong and I'm being punished for it. American pronunciation. Punish. Punish. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Punish. Say. Punish. Punish means inflict penalty on offender. Punish. Punish. Punish origin. Middle English is derived from Old French punici, a lengthened stem punire punish, Latin punire, and poina penalty. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Women are often punished for their presumptions. Now, repeat after me. Women are often punished for their presumptions. The second practice. On another occasion, he was punished for singing. Now, repeat after me. On another occasion, he was punished for singing.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.